Hey, what's up everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. This video will be on the Hostinger affiliate program tutorial. So in this video, we're going to take an in-depth look at what Hostinger is, how their lucrative affiliate program works, tips for getting approved, proven promotion strategies, and potential income that you can make as an affiliate. So by the end of this video, you'll have the complete game plan and all the information you need to get your affiliate marketing business up and running with this program. So for those unfamiliar, let's take a look at what Hostinger is and what it does. In essence, Hostinger is a web hosting provider that allows everyday people to host their websites online. When you build a website, it needs to be stored on physical servers in order to be accessible on the internet 24/7. So Hostinger provides reliable and high quality web hosting services so people can host their websites without needing to buy costly servers themselves. So it competes with other major web hosting providers like Bluehost, GoDaddy, SiteGround and more, but they stand out by offering super affordable shared hosting plans starting at just $250 per month. And this budget pricing is a big reason for their growth and also creates great potential as a Hostinger affiliate, which we're going to be digging into next. Signing up for the Hostinger's affiliate program is simple and completely free. All you have to do is search onto Google Hostinger's affiliate program, or type in the link hostinger.com/affiliates. Click the purple Access Affiliate Platform button, and then you will be taken to the application form. You will need to enter some basic personal information like your name, email address, payment details, etc. And this is required so Hostinger can pay you commissions. The approval process is very simple and easy. It usually takes 1 to 2 days, sometimes it's instant. And once approved, you will gain access to your Hostinger's affiliate dashboard. Under the Tools section, you can browse banners, text links, and other promo materials, but the main item you want is your unique affiliate links. So to get this, go to Offers and copy the general affiliate link. It will be a long URL. You can hover over it to verify it's your trackable affiliate link. This is the main link that you will use when promoting on Hostinger. You can also create custom landing pages, coupon codes, and other specialized links if you want, but for most affiliates, just the main link is fine. And the best part is the commission rate. Hostinger pays a very generous 60% commission on all new purchases driven by your link. And why is it so great? It's because there are also opportunities to earn commissions if your first referrals upgrades to higher priced packages, so you can definitely maximize your earnings over time by providing great value to leads. And that doesn't just stop there. You will always earn 60% monthly recurring commissions for as long as that customer that you referred stays active on the website. So this creates excellent passive income potential. There are also opportunities to earn commissions if your referrals upgrade to higher priced packages. Alright, so we have our affiliate links and we're signed up on the program. How do we exactly promote our Hostinger link? And to answer that, there are many proven strategies such as YouTube tutorials. You can create step-by-step video tutorials teaching your audience how to make a website, start a blog on WordPress, and set up an online store, etc. Position Hostinger as your first recommended web hosting provider for beginners based on your experience. And then mention your custom Hostinger affiliate link in the video description. There are plenty of Hostinger review videos where they share an honest review of their own personal experience using the platform for hosting websites or projects. You can do the same and then cover the pros and cons, speed tests, uptime reliability, and all of that, as this helps build trust and authority so viewers take your recommendation seriously. There's also the common Hostinger versus competitor videos. As mentioned before, it competes with GoDaddy for example, so you can make comparison videos like Hostinger versus GoDaddy or Hostinger versus Bluehost, comparing features, performance, pricing, ease of use, and all of that. So rank these videos for competitive keywords by including the brand names in the titles. There's also the common and reliable social media promotion, as you can promote Hostinger offers, deals, and discounts on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. Always create engaging graphics and captions for posts. Use the relevant hashtags to reach your target audience. Influencer marketing outreach is another great way you can get your links out, as you can contact relevant YouTubers, bloggers, or influencers in the same niches, and if you can afford it, you can offer them an incentive or commission even for featuring your Hostinger affiliate link to their audience. The key strategy is providing value to your audience first before promoting Hostinger. So don't directly sell, instead focus on warm traffic interested in web hosting. And that wraps up our beginner tutorial on making money as a Hostinger affiliate. Thanks so much for watching. Let us know what you think of this program in the comment section down below. And if you found today's video to be helpful or even informative to watch, then give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can create related to this one.